Every day, engineers lose hours fighting YAML, copy-pasting manifests, chasing misaligned configs, wrestling Kubernetes into submission just to deploy a service. There is a better way. Meet KubeKanvas, the AI-powered visual Kubernetes IDE built for teams who move fast. Design, collaborate, and deploy, all from a single, beautiful interface. Start with a blank canvas. Drag in a deployment, connect a service, add an ingress. KubeKanvas validates every configuration in real time, so you build with confidence, not guesswork. No YAML, no typos, no drama. Stuck on a resource config? Just ask. KubeKanvas's built-in AI copilot understands your infrastructure, not just generic code. It suggests you approve. Full undo and redo, always. You stay in control. Already using Helm? Perfect. KubeKanvas integrates with your Helm charts. Import them visually, inspect every resource, override values, and deploy, all without leaving the canvas. Your existing workflows, now with a visual superpower. Secrets stay secret. KubeKanvas encrypts sensitive values right in the browser, before they ever leave your machine. Your platform, your database, even the AI, none of them ever see the real value. When you're ready, one click and it's live. Deploy your design directly to any Kubernetes cluster from any cloud provider, from whiteboard to production in minutes. After deploying, stay in the loop. Watch workload health in real time. Run describe, view logs, inspect YAML, all from one release monitor. No more tab hopping between Kubectl and dashboards. KubeKanvas is built for teams, architects, developers, DevOps, all working on the same canvas in real time. Version control for your cluster designs. One source of truth. No more YAML conflicts. Start faster with production-ready templates, or save your own. And when you need YAML, export it in seconds. Standard Kubernetes manifests, ready for any CI/CD pipeline. KubeKanvas, visual, intelligent, built for the teams. Try it free at kubekanvas.io